Agidi or eko, as it is called in Nigeria, could be referred to as Nigeria's own wobbly jello. It is prepared just the same way you prepare your pap. The difference being that it is finally wrapped in leaves. All you need is your dried corn or your cornstarch ugi already ground, and you are ready to make your agidi or eko. A point to note, however, is that it is also possible for you to make your agidi if you live outside the shores of Africa. How? You can use your corn flour and still get the same result. Agidi is agidi anywhere in the world. Agidi is an African snack spanning centuries. It can be eaten both as a snack or meal. It becomes a real meal when you eat it with akara, your bean cake or moi moi, your bean pudding, or with stew or vegetable sauce, even with your pepper soup. It is easy to prepare and also cheap too, even at the market. All you need to prepare your agidi, like I said earlier on, is your cornmeal, some water, some leaves, and you're ready. So let us start. Step 1. In a bowl, dissolve the semi-solid corn flour or raw cornmeal. That is ground dried corn already sieved. Dissolve with cold water. Make sure it is very thick. The consistency must be thick or you'll miss it altogether. And step number 2, boil some hot water and pour into your mixed raw cornmeal till it forms a thick paste. And step number 3, place on fire to cook. Don't forget to add some cold water to make it cook well. Cover the pot and leave to simmer for about 10 minutes on medium heat. And step number 4, when it is done, put it down and leave to cool just a little. Step number 5, get your leaves, fold as a moi moi and scoop the starchy mixture into it. Leave it to cool. Once this happens, it sets and your agidi is ready. Bon appetit!